Hello everybody, how you doing? Here we are again, another beautiful project Max Screen's about to handle. We're out in Chiliota, Florida. Chiliota, that's right, I said it right, Chiliota. There she is. She's all dirty right now. She's a diamond in the rough. We're gonna brighten this jewel up today, y'all. You see that? I mean, it's not gonna be fully painted today, but you see all this nastiness? We're gonna take a nice shot of that later. You're gonna see it's gonna be gorgeous. Nice and brand new. Fix things, repair them, mend them. That's what we're gonna do with this joy. It's gonna be a joy, it's gonna be a beaut. Check her out, pan out on that wall. Because when you see it again, it's gonna be all nice, new, beautiful screens. Check us out online or call us, Max Screens, baby.
As you can see here how faded the door is, we're gonna sand that down and it's definitely faded out. That powder coat just comes off like dust. All right, after we sanded down the door here, it's got a nice and scuffed up. Still got a little bit down here to get off. Had some water scale on there. We got it all scuffed up. All right, so we're gonna after you take the screw out, you can see this is kind of pitted here. We like to sand that down. That way when the paint goes on, this is nice and smooth here, and then we can put the new screws, the oversized screws in to make this nice and flush, nice and flat here. All right, so day 2 at the project here. After we got everything, all the screen taken out, picked up, cleaned up, we're working on sanding everything down and pressure cleaning the Phifer screen 1814 mesh. We're putting the Protect tap cons along the bottom, of course, new door hardware, and we're painting everything on this job. Mannix Bronze by Sherwin-William. It's DTM paint. You know, we sand everything down, clean everything, take out all the screws, put new screws in. We actually use Nylotech screws. They have a nylon head so they don't rust out, and the Protects are actually a Tapcon that is protected by a nylon sleeve, and then on top has a cap that we put over the top of it. So we'll show you that when we're close to being done with putting the caps on and everything. But just wanted to take a minute here, show you guys what it looks like before we paint it. Got some before pictures of, you know, the faded aluminum, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to let you guys see all that. And then I'm going to show you some of the painting process, And then I'm also going to show you after what it looks like. It's a beautiful shine. It makes the cage look brand new again, especially after we sand everything down and get everything set up right so the paint would adhere to the metal correctly. So just hope you enjoy this video. If you like watching our videos, please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to grow our channel more. If you have any videos you'd like to see, maybe something that we're not showing on our channel pertaining to the screen and aluminum industry, please let us know. Drop a comment below. Like our videos, please. It does help our channel grow. And please stay tuned for more videos to come. We'll be showing you the whole process as we go. Ready.
Guys, here we are. Look at this beaut. Finished up. Nice new finish. Nice new screen. This is how the Mac team does it. We do it beautifully every time. We wash out the deck, make sure everything is nice and clean. We try to get no paint on anything that doesn't need to have paint on it. But the structure, this is what it comes out. Look, brand new again. Beautiful. It's a beautiful cage. Beautiful job done.